Like, hi, have you met Brian Friedman yet? I know I haven't, but I wouldn't try this. Judge Lehman responds to this order, and he just
Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds, often celebrated as Hollywood's golden couple, have long been adored for their charm, wit, and seemingly perfect lives. Their relationship, marked by playful banter and mutual support, has made them a favorite among fans and media alike. However, their careers and reputations are now hanging by a thread, threatened by a brutal $400 million lawsuit filed by none other than Justin Baldoni, with his powerhouse attorney, Brian Friedman, leading the charge. Friedman is not just any lawyer. He is a courtroom assassin, known for his ruthless tactics and a track record of leaving no survivors in legal battles. This time, his targets are Blake and Ryan, and the fallout from this legal confrontation is nothing short of catastrophic. The saga began with accusations of harassment against Baldoni, which quickly spiraled into a legal nightmare for Blake and Ryan. Their once sterling reputations are crumbling, their brands are taking massive hits, and rumors suggest that even Marvel Studios may be cutting ties with Ryan Reynolds. How did it all come to this? Could this be the end of one of Hollywood's most beloved couples? To understand the gravity of the situation, we need to rewind to where it all began. The controversy started with a bombshell accusation from Blake Lively. During the press tour for their summer movie, It Ends With Us, Blake accused Justin Baldoni of sexual harassment. She claimed that Baldoni had created a hostile work environment and even orchestrated a smear campaign against her. These allegations sent shockwaves through Hollywood, with fans rallying behind Blake as she presented herself as a victim of workplace misconduct. The public outcry was immediate, and Baldoni found himself at the center of a media firestorm. However, Justin Baldoni was not about to go down without a fight. He vehemently denied the allegations, claiming they were part of a calculated move to tarnish his reputation. What followed was a legal battle that escalated far beyond anyone's expectations. Blake's accusations triggered a series of counter-lawsuits from Baldoni, and soon, her husband, Ryan Reynolds, found himself dragged into the chaos. The once beloved couple suddenly found themselves on the defensive, and things were about to get much worse. Enter Brian Friedman, the legal powerhouse representing Justin Baldoni. Friedman is not your average Hollywood lawyer. He is known for his ruthless, no-nonsense approach to high-stakes cases. When he takes on a client, it's not just about winning. It's about total annihilation. Friedman reportedly told Baldoni to sit back, relax, and watch him handle the situation. From that moment on, the game changed entirely. Counter-lawsuits began rolling in like a tidal wave, targeting everyone involved in tarnishing Baldoni's name, from Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds to their PR team, and even major media outlets like the New York Times. Friedman's strategy was clear: leave no stone unturned and no opponent standing. The turning point in this legal saga came when Justin Baldoni, under Friedman's guidance, filed a jaw-dropping $400 million lawsuit against Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds. The lawsuit accused them of defamation and extortion, claiming they had deliberately tried to ruin Baldoni's career with false allegations. This wasn't just about clearing Baldoni's name. It was about sending a message that Friedman wouldn't tolerate baseless accusations against his client. The lawsuit detailed how Blake had allegedly manipulated public perception to paint herself as the victim while orchestrating behind-the-scenes moves to discredit Baldoni. For Blake and Ryan, this was more than just a legal battle. It was an existential threat to their careers. But Friedman didn't stop there. He went after everyone who played a role in spreading what he called false narratives about Justin Baldoni. This included the New York Times, which had published an article based on Blake's claims. Friedman filed a lawsuit against the publication, accusing it of inaccuracies and misrepresentations that relied solely on Blake's self-serving narrative. Even Blake's publicist wasn't spared from Friedman's wrath. Reports surfaced that her PR team faced legal action for allegedly coordinating with media outlets to smear Baldoni during the press tour for It Ends With Us. Friedman made it clear that no one involved in attacking his client would escape unscathed. The situation took an even more dramatic turn when Blake Lively attempted what many saw as a desperate move in court. In February, she asked the court to let her choose who would depose her during the trial. Her reasoning? She didn't want Brian Friedman anywhere near her deposition. But the judge wasn't having it. He rejected her plea outright, stating that A-list privileges don't apply in the courtroom. This moment exposed just how shaken Blake was by Friedman's aggressive tactics. It also signaled that she might not be as confident in her case as she initially appeared to be. For fans who once saw her as Hollywood royalty, this was a shocking fall from grace. The fallout from this lawsuit has been devastating for both Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds. Their public image and careers are taking massive hits. Reports claim that Target has pulled Blake's hair care line from shelves due to plummeting sales following the controversy. Customers allegedly returned products in droves after losing trust in her wholesome image. Ryan isn't faring much better either. Rumors suggest that Marvel Studios has quietly dropped him from future projects, a shocking development for an actor who seemed untouchable just months ago. As news of Brian Friedman's aggressive legal strategy spread, social media exploded with reactions. Fans couldn't believe how quickly Hollywood's golden couple had fallen from grace. Many praised Friedman for exposing what they saw as manipulative behavior by Lively and Reynolds. One viral comment summed it up perfectly. Brian doesn't lose. They got greedy and tried to exploit an artist who helps the deaf and disabled. Another added, this lawyer doesn't mess around. He comes with facts. But who exactly is Brian Friedman? He isn't just another Hollywood lawyer. He's a force of nature, known for his aggressive, no-holds-barred approach. Friedman has built a reputation as the go-to attorney for celebrities and executives facing high-stakes legal battles. His clients include some of the biggest names in entertainment, and his
filmed in which she felt sexually harassed. He has that scene, and he included it. We can watch that scene.
Yep. In fact, in Blake's suit, she stated that it was a muted scene, so we didn't have audio of what was taking place. And she says that he said something very specific, which he does. Yes.
Oh,
he
so
was
we have
laughed up.
Wow. Dude.
track record speaks for itself. When Friedman steps into the courtroom, he doesn't just win. He obliterates the opposition. In this case, Friedman's strategy was surgical. He didn't just focus on Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds. He systematically dismantled every piece of their narrative. From targeting media outlets like the New York Times to exposing inconsistencies in Blake's legal filings, Friedman made it clear that no one involved in tarnishing Justin Baldoni's name was safe. His ability to turn the tables on Blake and Ryan has left fans and critics in awe, and it's why many are calling him Hollywood's legal assassin. However, Friedman's relentless approach has also raised questions about how far is too far in high-profile legal battles. Is this just a fight for justice? Or is it something more personal? As Blake and Ryan face mounting challenges, the question remains, can they recover from this? Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds were once untouchable, a power couple adored by fans and brands alike. But now, their carefully curated image is crumbling under the weight of this lawsuit. For years, they were seen as Hollywood royalty, but Friedman's aggressive legal campaign has exposed cracks in their seemingly perfect facade. Blake's wholesome reputation has taken a massive hit, with reports of her hair care line being pulled from shelves and customers returning products en masse. Meanwhile, Ryan, who has long been one of Marvel Studios' most bankable stars, is rumored to have been quietly dropped from future projects. If true, this would mark a devastating blow to his career at a time when he seemed poised for even greater success. The fallout from this legal battle isn't just professional, it's personal. Fans who once idolized Blake and Ryan are now questioning their integrity, and public sentiment has shifted dramatically against them. While it's too early to say whether their careers are truly over, one thing is certain: their golden couple status may never recover. This saga between Justin Baldoni, Brian Friedman, Blake Lively, and Ryan Reynolds isn't just another celebrity scandal. It's a cautionary tale about power, accountability, and the high stakes of Hollywood. At its core, the story highlights how quickly fortunes can change in an industry where reputations are everything. For Blake and Ryan, this legal battle has been nothing short of catastrophic. What started as an accusation against Justin Baldoni has spiraled into a full-blown war that threatens to end their careers. Meanwhile, Brian Friedman has solidified his reputation as one of Hollywood's most formidable attorneys, someone who doesn't just defend his clients, but goes on the offensive with ruthless precision. As fans watch this drama unfold, it raises important questions. How much power should lawyers like Friedman wield? And what does this mean for other celebrities who might find themselves in similar situations? One thing is clear, this story is far from over. With rumors swirling about more lawsuits on the horizon, Hollywood may be on the brink of even more shocking revelations. So, what do you think? Is this the end for Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds? Or will they find a way to bounce back? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on this unfolding drama.